Have you struggled with American evangelicalism like I have? It's gotten to the point where I almost don't even recognize a theological tradition that I've identified with for more than 30 years. In my recent book, I share my concerns for losing our identity. You'll read about how the majority of evangelicals live outside of the U.S., and yet evangelicalism is largely identified with the church in America. The uniquely American conflation of faith and politics is actually hurting the witness of Christians around the world. I wrestle with questions like, has God given up on the American church? Is this the end of American evangelicalism, or can it be saved? Ultimately, I look to three scholars from England, Ghana, and America to help us define evangelicalism. And then I put forward this idea for you to consider. These three areas of ministry, the defense of the faith, social justice, and gospel proclamation, mark the identity of the evangelical church. Her defense of the faith marks her faith in the belief in the one true God and Savior of all humanity. Her engagement in social justice marks a behavior with the conviction that when she does these things, she does them as unto Christ Himself. And finally, her declaration of God's glory to the nation marks her unity with all evangelicals in a common mission that is so compelling that it brings others to the community of Christ's followers. I hope you'll pick up this book and join me in restoring American evangelicalism.